This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a restricted PayPal account. A PayPal account restriction can be concerning, but it often stems from straightforward issues. You will typically receive an email or see an alert within your account notifying you of the restriction. The first step is to log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. There, you will find specific details about why your account was restricted and what actions you need to take. This initial step is crucial for understanding the path forward and beginning the unrestriction process. Understanding why your account was restricted is vital for resolution. Common reasons include suspicious or unusual login attempts, which PayPal flags for your protection. Selling items that violate PayPal's user agreement or receiving a high volume of disputes can also lead to a restriction. Additionally, if you are a new user or recently exceeded certain transaction limits, PayPal may request further verification to ensure compliance and security for everyone. Once logged in, head directly to the Resolution Center link, usually found near the top of your account summary page. Here, you will see a clear, step-by-step list of actions you need to complete. This might involve uploading a photo ID, like a driver's license, or providing utility bills to confirm your address. For business accounts, you might need to supply invoices or supplier information. Follow each instruction carefully to ensure a smooth process. Once you have all your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.